Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining you about risk management or money management. So for those who are watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please click the link below and subscribe to our channel, because this channel we are providing valuable information. So do subscribe and also like this video, plus commenting down the description, because we'd like to see your views about the videos we are making. Now without wasting time, I think for the reliable forex broker I recommend you to use, we recommend you to use Infinix Capital. Is the reliable forex broker we recommend you to use at the moment. Use Infinix Capital and start your trading journey. Now, like I've said before, our topic today is about money management. Now, money management, this section is the most important in forex trading, because without it, you'll never be a profitable trader. So if you don't put risk management or money management in your trading, that means you may not achieve what you'd like to achieve as a forex trader. Because if you don't have good risk management, that means you're going to be blowing up your accounts, or you're going to be making losses over and over. Many traders think a good trader is a good anticipator. It is good being a good trade anticipator, but that skill without good money management, a trader is dead. Even if you make the best or the quality market analysis, but you don't apply risk management in your trading, that means there is no way you're going to be profitable. So good technical analysis goes along with good risk management. Get it? A successful business is one that has risk and loss management plan. Every business experiences losses. It is not just traders. Most of the people think only trading is where we experience a lot of losses. No. Even these physical businesses, you find a business, there is a day you make profit, there is a day you make a loss. So it's up to you, how are you going to manage these losses? How are you going to manage these losses? Think of Coca-Cola. This is a little bit example we are trying to give you. Think about a Coca-Cola truck crashing and have all the crates in the load stolen by the community. What happens? They experience a loss, but is something they were aware it may happen. Coca-Cola is well known, is one of the largest beverage companies in the whole world. But you find Coca-Cola, if a truck of Coca-Cola gets an accident, that loss is already calculated. Why? They already know that in a daily life accidents occur. So when this truck or trailer takes certain crates of sodas and it gets a certain accident, they are ready, or they are comfortable to handle that loss. Why? It was already calculated. Same to a trader. If you have an account of $100, they are telling you do not risk over 5 to 10% of your account, and counting all the trades which you have. So that means if you lose like $5 on your account, $5, that is like 5% of your $100. That means you must stop trading for that day. The maximum must be 10%. So if you lose $10 on your $100, that means that day all those trades have not went your way. But just see where the mistake was, and wait for tomorrow when your mind has refreshed. You get it? Now tell me why you would like, or tell me why you will risk your account in one trade. A good trader is a trader that accepts a loss with ease and continue being profitable with that loss. That's what I've tried to explain. Be comfortable with your losses, because if you minimize your loss and maximize your profits, you'll find that your profits are a little bit more than the losses. I have shared with you a good money management. You will achieve that. Do not be greedy by wanting to be a millionaire in a short term period of time. Use the risk management below. So we try to break down for you the good risk management you can use as a beginner if you'd like to be a profitable trader and you do not blow up your account. Now, the maximum leverage we recommend you to use, now like in Phoenix Capital, we offer up to 1 to 1000 leverage. Now you can use 1 to 500 leverage, it's what we recommend you to use. If you have $100, that means you're going to be using 0.01 lot size per trade and run a maximum of 30 trades from different currency pairs. Do not trade one pair and you enter 3 trades. No, try to get different pairs. If you are trading WPUSD, you get even EURJPY, maybe also with gold. Do not trade 3 pairs. Do not trade one pair and you place many trades. Why? If this pair doesn't work or do what you want, that means you're going to lose all the trades. And remember, we are using the rate risk management and we do not want you to blow your account. Now you have to use different pairs such that if this pair doesn't make money, the other pair is going to make for you money. Or if 2 pairs do not make money, one can recover the loss being made by the 2 pairs. I think we get together. Now, same case to the 200 account. Use the maximum of 0.02 lot size per trade, and you also run a maximum of 3 trades. 1000 account, use a maximum of 0.10 lot size per trade and run a maximum of 3 trades. What you must put in your mind is try to put different currency pairs, not use one currency pair. Now, as your account grows, may you be wondering that lot of views. Here is how to calculate it. Now, we gave you a simple example for you to get or to calculate your lot size, which is affordable by your account. If I go to my calculator here, we try to go on my calculator. Let me say you have an account of $500. You're going to divide it by this equation, 8,333. So that means you have to use 0.06 lot size per trade. Now, we try to break down this risk management for you in brief to find ease when you are using or when you are calculating your lot size. Many people do not know how to calculate lot size. Go on YouTube and search our channel FX Devs. Watch the video of lot size. We show you the proper way to calculate your lot sizes. Now here we try to bring for you a little bit equation which you can use to get your lot size. If you have an account of $1,000, get your capital $1,000 divided by this equation. You're going to be getting 0.10 or 0.12. So this is the lot size you're going to be applying to every trade you're going to be placing. Remember, we're recommending you to place only 3 trades, which will be around 5% or 3% or 10% of your account. Why? We are trying to apply good risk management for us to be profitable traders. So that's all we had for you today, guys. For those who have made it to the end of this video, we thank you a lot because we really appreciate the work you have done to subscribe to our channel. We are about to hit 100 subscribers. So if you're watching this video, please, we ask you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because we are running a mark of 100 subscribers. Now we have seen that we are actually giving out valuable information, so we'd like you to like this video and also share it if you don't mind, because we are still uploading a lot of content. We want you to be one of the people who would like to get informed or receiving these alerts that we have uploaded a new video teaching more about forex trading. So for the broker, like we have told you, we recommend you to use Phoenix Capital. so far is the best broker I will recommend you to use.